program, I have been more confident on myself that what should I take from here, what I am capable of, and what I am good at and what all I am bad at, the communication skills, the proper way of dressing myself, presenting myself in front of the customer, how to approach a product. So everything have been clearly defined in this training program. Things I learned from the training have been more relevant to me. Apart from the core banking systems, the process and the procedures, the regulations and all the classes on this training have been more useful to me, and it will enhance my work at my workplace. The communication skill, it gave a more impact on myself that every time I reach a customer, I used to talk directly, I would pitch a product directly to themselves. Now after attending the communication classes, I come to know that first we have to make the customer more comfortable and then I have to pitch the product. Yes, definitely I recommend this program to the upcoming BSSMs because the program gives clarity on what we are and what the role is and what are the procedures and all the formalities we have to follow that should be applied in the job. So I recommend the training on BSSMs.